Inkscape reveals tools for organizing work efficiently in beta version 1.3. So Inkscape is a software for drawing. From shapes and patterns to documents and font, Inkscape 1.3 beta release offers you some new features alongside a basket of full improvements, large and small. Let's dig into a few of the bells and whistles in this new version has to offer. First, Inkscape is a drawing software which is a GPL, an open source. What's new? Among the new features in this beta release, these four top our list. Shape Builder Tool. Using the new Shape Builder Tool. Inkscape new Shape Builder Tool helps get the job done quickly and efficiently. You'll enjoy the overview of all shapes and the ability to select multiple overlapping shapes. So you see, I think this looks quite interesting because we see here the nature of Inkscape, which is a simple, a very user-friendly drawing tool. If you try to use one of the more complex drawing tools, such as GIMP or Photoshop, you will be overwhelmed. But Inkscape has a good balance of simple and advanced features. Your object will retain the original color too. Shortcuts for this tool includes Shift for quickly switching between adding and subtracting parts. I think Inkscape is especially good for programmers. If you like to efficiently organize your Inkscape documents, this tool is for you. There are times when being able to quickly see an overview of elements is key. When sharing a file for commercial printing, for instance, it's a checklist of. So this reminds of the ability to quickly search in IDEs such as IntelliJ and Visual Code, Studio Code to search for items. Still on an organizing path, this new button helps those who wrestle with many fonts to categorize them by collections and easily and quickly identify which fonts to grab for which contract or client or custom project. Or you can organize them by style. Cursive, funny, serif, sans serif. There is also an icon to help you find these collections, patterns. Changing patterns comfortably from the new pattern editor. Not only do you have access to a funky and practical library of patterns within Inkscape, there's also new pattern editor that features on-canvas editing, or you can simply switch to the node tool. In addition to being very useful, it's also fun to explore. Have fun playing with shape, size, and rotation with these repeats. Change colors for your version of a pattern and adapt the offset too. For your inner organizer, the patterns are now categorized into collections here, so they are easier to find the second time. Lasso selection for nodes. Being a node ranger just got easier. You'll appreciate being able to hold the Alt key and draw to select nodes that are hard to select with rectangular selection. And many more features waiting for you. Inkscape 1.3 beta release offers you a long list of improvements, features you know. For more details, there is the Inkscape 1.3 release notes.